Hi, I'm Rubul, BIM trainer at Elegant Training Center, Dubai. On this channel, you will find short and powerful lessons on Revit, BIM workflows, and Autodesk tools. Subscribe now, and when you're ready to master BIM with Autodesk certification, join me at Elegant Training Center, Dubai. Let's get started.
Okay, welcome back to the Navisworks chapter. So we will start making the clash detection test between this architecture file and the MEP. So here you can see that one I have the duct which is penetrated to the wall, so that will be detected as the clashes over here, because in the architectural there was no opening, and between these duct there is no clashes between the duct and all. It's mainly between the ceiling walls. Now let me turn off the third person, so we don't need the third person for that one. I can go to viewpoint, I expand the realism, I turn it off. I need the normal user interface. Okay, make sure you appended two models. Okay, so make sure it's not open, it's appended two different. Now for the clash detection, you can go to the home tab and you can find here the clash detective, or Control plus F2 is the shortcut. Okay, or you can go to window view, you can go to the window and you can turn on the clash detective. Okay, so both are same. So once I turn on the clash detective, so this is a clash detective window. If I need, I can dock over here. So right now it shows here there are currently no clashes test defined. That means the test is not created, so I need to create the test. So for the test, I have the some button here like rules, select result, which is not active right now. See, nothing is active here because I need to add a test. So that's the first thing you need to do. So I click over the add test, then from the test name, so I can give a name for the test. Now I'm going to mention this one as architecture versus MEP. Okay, I create here, and you can see the status, you can see the clashes, new, active, reviewed, approved, resolved. Everything is 0. There's nothing I didn't do. You just create the test only. Now to run the test, I can just move it up. Even though if you dock it, I need to scroll down. So let this window be bigger. Okay, now from here, this is the test you created, and I can set a rule here. Now if you go to the select, so you need to select the disciplines over here. So there is selection A and selection B. So both the architecture and MEPs appeared here. Okay, now I'm going to choose the architecture and the MEP from here. It's mean the entire architecture with the MEP. So I'm going to choose here the walls. I'm not choosing what type of walls, so I'm going to choose the entire walls. Okay, and if you expand the MEP, I can show whether it's pipe or anything. So I need to show the duct, even maybe on the bend, on the fittings also will appear there. Maybe if the fittings is just inside the wall. So I need all those things also. So what I'm not using specific one, I'm just choosing MEP. So it's only a specified walls and to the MEP one over there. Okay, now before I run the test, I can mention the settings. So what type, if I'm just using here hard or clearance, if it's clearance, then I can give a tolerance value, how much clearance distance you need it, but I'm just choosing for the hard. So I'm just running this test. So once I click run test, okay, so here you can see the clashes found over here. So it says that 142 clashes are found there, and all these 42 are new. I didn't assign to anyone to review, approve, or anything, or I didn't do that one. Or actually this is through the BIM 360. It shows that one, this is one clash, and I'm going to the next clashes. Okay, so I find that one, these clashes are I have this much clashes on particular one. Okay, so I'm going to choose clash number 20. So if I expand this list, and I can make it active or renewed or approved. Now let's go to the report, and I can see what else you need to get exported in this report. Okay, so I need the clash point, I need the date form, item ID, image. I need image is very important. Now the report format, I also choose here HTML. I don't need text, and also HTML will give a good view. You can open this one as an URL over there. HTML file, and here you can get a folder where it's some of the files. So these files actually mean the snapshots. Okay, So this is automatically generated, these images in your HTML file. So once you open the HTML file, you will get a detailed report over here. This is the one you need to send it. So here you can see the architecture.image, that's the name. This is the tolerance value you are following, and the name. So this will be clash 1, clash 2, like that one. So I have already opened the architecture, same architecture, and I have opened the MEP over here also. Okay, and according to the clash test, so I'm taking the clash detective button again. Okay, so if I go to the select, you can see the selection A is actually the architecture part, selection B is the MEP part. Okay, so as per the report, the element ID first will be the architecture, second will be the MEP. So how to locate, how to identify which part is that one? What you can do is you can go to the manage tab. Under the inquiry, you can choose this one, select by ID. So this is the same ID which you had copied. So I'm going to paste this one. So I need to have a look where it is. So click show. See, so it will show there. So this is the wall. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one. Go back to the Revit. So this time I will open MEP. Correct. So I need to locate where it is there. So again, I go to the manage tab. Under the inquiry, I choose here the select by ID. I'm pasting this one. I click show. So this is a duct piece.